I went back to CapCut. Let me show you how I can add a watermark to your videos. I'm just going to use one of my logos and this footage right here. Click on a plus sign for each and then put your watermark, your logo on a different video channel, in this case on top of my footage. It's important that you put the footage below, so whatever you use as a watermark, make sure that it's on the highest video channel on top. I'm going to use the default layout here and then we can adjust it. Some people use a watermark to protect their footage and they want to have it on the footage in its entirety. So just drag this as long as your clip. Select the watermark and then you may want to scale it down a little bit and decrease the opacity. And that's the important step. By decreasing the opacity, you have this typical watermark effect. On YouTube, watermarks are used at the bottom right and they're way smaller. So let me reposition this, size it down, and I'll put it right here. But again, I keep the opacity, which is the important part. And that's usually how this is done. One more thing to add, if you can't see the opacity, it might be because the drop down is closed. So you have to open it under blend and make sure that the box next to blend is checked. Then you should find the slider for opacity. Scaling right here can be done manually or via the slider. And you could also add animations to it. Just make sure it's selected in timeline, so highlight it. And then you can add a fade in, for example, and a fade out if you want to have something like this. And that's all there is to adding a watermark to your footage using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.